Syukur.
So the Shillong tribe teams is working hard to seize all this modified silencer. So you have since last year we started, this year we started from January until date. We have seized 320 we have detected. But then we have seized 181. Previously, when we detected, we request the owner to to remove on their own. But then we realized that later that some are again using it. So when we realized that, then now we have seized this 181, so which will be destroyed shortly now. And the STP will continue to detect all the modified silencer which is not authorized by law. So we'll continue to do that. And right now, which is and fine also we have
12 lakhs for this year only. 12 lakhs 46,500.
Okay, for this year we realized fines from all these modified silencer about 12 lakhs 46,500, and that has been deposited to the government checker, the state treasury. So that's all. And when we crash again next time, we'll call you again. Thank you.
So silence.